All right, so now let's take a look at question 6 from 3.3. So this section talks about measures of relative standing and box plot. So what do we mean by measures of relative standing? So if you ever heard someone say, like, you scored in the 91st percentile, that percentile would be considered a measure of relative standing. Now, when we create a box plot, there are you'll see this 5-number summary. The 5-number summary is nothing more than the min, the first quartile, which is the 25th percentile, the median, which is the 50th percentile, the third quartile, which is the 75th percentile, and the max. All right, the min, Q1, median, Q3, max. All right, so we want to be able to input what the 5-number summary is. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to export this data. And then we're going to go to stat, and we're going to go to summary stats. And then before I do all that, let's see, what is this data? This is baby teeth, the amounts of strontium. All right, let me go back to the homework assignment here, or back to StatCrunch. And I'm just going to put teeth. All right, so that's my variable name. I'm going to go to summary stats, columns. I'm going to pick the column I named teeth. And then, so here's what we need. We need the minimum. We need Q1, median, Q3, max. That's it. So we're going to go in that order. Minimum, control Q1, median, control median, control Q3, and control max. And then we'll hit compute. And that is our 5-number summary: 127, 140, 152, 162.5, 176. In order to create a box plot, we just go to graph, then we go to box plot, and we're going to select teeth. I like the box plot to be horizontally, so I'm going to click draw boxes horizontally. You can use fences to identify outliers. I don't think there are any outliers in this particular one. And then we'll go ahead and click compute. So this is a visual representation of that, right? This is the minimum is 127. That's right here. Q1 is the beginning of the box. That's 140. That's right here. The median is 152. That's going to be right in the middle here. Q3, that's the end of the box. That's 162.5. And then the max is 176. Pretty cool stuff. So let's go ahead and enter these values. 127, 140, 152. So 127, 140, 152. Let's see what the other ones were. 162.5 and 176. So 162.5 and 176, enter. And then it will ask for a picture of the box plot. And we're looking for 152 to be in the middle. We're looking for, we could look at the picture too, right? It looks like everything's kind of normal, right? These are the same length and these are the same length. Maybe a little bit of a skew to the right here. So let's take a look at the pictures again. So it's not that one. It's not that one. I think it's this one right here, based on our box plot. Okay, and that concludes this lesson.